Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have stitchfix. Stitchfix is an online styling service. Fill out a style profile, tell them your sizes, your price preferences, and they will curate a box of 5 items to send to you. You have a Stitch Fix stylist that is actual human that sends it to you. My stylist is Shannon from Shannon's Style. We met here through YouTube. On top of that, they also use an algorithm, and you can use the app and do the thumbs up, thumbs down game to help them give you an idea what you like. In addition, they also allow you to save items to your wish list. So if you like some of the items in my list, in my curation here, let it be known these are all items that came from my wish list. You get a preview, and you can they'll send you a list of 10 items, and you can choose 5 out of the 10. I chose 3 out of my 10, and I'm going to show you the first items right now. I have the Style Pass, so I spend $49, not $149. That was my faux pas in my last video. $49 a year for the Style Pass, and you can then apply those dollars to anything that you keep. If you don't have the Style Pass, it is $20 per box that you get. You can schedule this monthly, quarterly, etc., etc. Everyone who does Stitch Fix also gets a referral link, and my referral link and links for all the box services I do are below. I want to let you know, thank you, Jean O. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed your box. You should have gotten $25 off, and I as well will get $25 off. So I really appreciate you using my link. If you're interested in Stitch Fix and don't like me, please look at another YouTuber's video and use their link. It's kind of silly to not get that discount. Okay. So, what do I have for you today? The first thing I have on for you are the bottoms. The top is my own. I didn't get any tops in this box. I actually requested these. These are the Cut from the Cloth Catherine Boyfriend jeans in an indigo, size 0 for $89. So I'll step back so you can see the jeans. They're supposed to be the boyfriend style fit, so they're a roll cuff. But if you notice, they're kind of tight on me. I did put on a little weight over the holidays, which I'm currently working to get off a little bit. But they don't have that relaxed boyfriend fit that I'm looking for. Moreover, if I do get a pair of boyfriend jeans, I think because they are supposed to be a relaxed fit, I kind of want them in a more faded type of wash. I'm looking for non-distressed, really loose, but not like ridiculously oversized jeans. These are $89, and they're like 89% polyester, no, 89% cotton, 10% polyester, and I believe 1% spandex. So they fit well. They have the traditional 5-pocket styling. I'll turn around so you can see the back. These are nothing special to me. They're not tight like as an uncomfortable. They're just not a loose leg like a boyfriend style that I was hoping for. These to me almost look like a straight leg, to be honest with you. And for $89, I do not need these. So these are going to go back. All right, the next 2 items, and again, these were on my wish list. And I believe it was the algorithm that, I'm gonna open up the next one. I got 2 pairs of earrings in here, which I am okay with because I recently lost 2 pairs of earrings. So I'm pretty upset. You know, I now have a single pair for each of them. The first item came through on my preview. These are the Every Mary Open Circle Drop Hoop Earrings in silver for $29. So for $29, oops, I think they're really cute. And I am going to keep them, all right? So this hopefully backs up a pair that I lost. It does come with a cute little pouch. They're not too heavy, if anybody's wondering. They seem fairly light. And yeah, I think they're cute. And there's like little rhinestones in one of the hoops, if you can see, the smaller hoop. So I'm going to keep these. These are they're $29, and I could use some more earrings since I lost some. The next pair of earrings my stylist sent along because she noticed that they were on my wish list. These are by 41 Hawthorne, the Amy Statement Circular Drop Earring in gold, and these are $28. These are a little bit heavier, but they're not too heavy. And again, they're kind of cute. They're like a hammered metal, and then they have like the rhinestones going down the center of it. And I think I want to keep these 2. All right, give me a minute, and I got 2 more bottoms to show you. Okay, next up are these Prosperity Slim Slate jeans in indigo, size 0. They're a Stitch Fix exclusive, and they're $78. So you can see there's like some whiskering over here and some fading down the legs. Again, the traditional 5-pocket style. They do fit, but I'll be honest with you, they're not a high enough rise for me. So here's my belly button. I like things to come to my belly button, and to me that's like a mid-rise. And this really does not come to my belly button. So for that reason, these alone are going back. I'll turn around and I'll show you the back of them so you can see what they look like. These are only 70-something%, forget what the percent is, cotton, and then like 24% polyester, and then like 3% viscose and 2% spandex. And to be honest with you, these feel very much like a jegging. They have like a lot of stretch, and they're kind of that stretchy glue to me material, and I'm kind of over that whole look. So even though they're a straight leg and not as skinny, they're very much like a jegging, which they just didn't taper the leg. So these are definitely going back, and they are a no. Give me a minute and I have a pair of leggings to show you. Next up are a pair of leggings for glider. They're the high waist peekaboo legging in blue, and I would have to say they're kind of like a teal blue or peacock blue, extra small, $33.97. Now these are on sale, and my stylist is going on a cruise with me, and she knows I want to be active on the cruise, so she thought these would be a great option to add. And I was actually pretty excited to get them in my box, but when I put them on, they're not going to work for me. Unfortunately, I am just too short for them. So I'll stand back so you can see, all right? And you can see all the bunching around here in my knees. And unfortunately, I cannot exercise when there's like all this extra material in my knees. It's actually quite uncomfortable when I bend my knees, and you can see it bunching here down at the bottom. It does have this little cute cutout back here, but I don't think it's also doing me any favors because I have extra wide calves, so I think it's actually kind of pulling and not exactly cute. This is the back of them. These are 88% nylon, 12% spandex. I have other glider leggings in black that I actually got from Stitch Fix Freestyle, and I'm pretty happy with those. I think they usually run around $78, which are, they're not my most favorite leggings, but they're a lot cheaper than the Lululemons that are $120, and they're also cheaper than the Beyond Yoga, and I definitely have to say I like the way they fit better and wash and wear better than the Beyond Yoga. So if you're looking for a legging that's not quite that expensive, but still pretty expensive, I would recommend Glider. Another brand I would recommend is the Trendsend brand, but they don't have nearly as much compression as the Glider. So, yeah, so unfortunately, all 3 bottoms I'm sending back, but I think I'm going to be keeping the earrings. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? I do lots of try-on shopping hauls. Give this video a thumbs up and click that notification bell, and let me know what you thought of my box. Take care. Until next time.